Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 29th to August the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Ito po yung logo, no? So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section, no? Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Capricorn, bakit parang sinasabi natin sa sarili natin, sana pala, no, nagsalita ako. Sana pala sinabi ko kung ano yung totoo kong nararamdaman. Sana pala, na-express ko, no, itong aking emotion. Now, this can be you. This can be your person, no? You can switch the energies, by the way. What I am reading is the dynamic. But we will identify who's who, no? So, wala pa naman kasi yung card. Or yung mga cards, actually. Especially the tarot cards. What we have here is the oracle card. So parang ang sabi dito nung taong to, partly meron akong kasalanan bakit nangyayari itong sitwasyon na ito sa akin or sa amin. The reason being is because hindi nga ako nag-express, hindi ko masyadong napaintindi, baka na-misunderstood ako, hindi ko na-clarify. Ayan. So, ngayon, sabi nitong taong to is, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin, paano gagawin, no? Na ibalik yung dati. And if ever I will be given a chance, no, I think I can do better, no? So parang sinasabi nito na natuto ako, no? Somehow natuto ako. Or natuto talaga ako actually, no? Kasi sabi niya dito, hindi ko naman din maibi-blame, no? Si person. Dahil sabihin natin partly, no, meron din akong contributions kung bakit kami nagkakaganito ngayon. So with the Page of Cups and the Seven of Wands. So parang ang hindrance natin dito is instead of, no, this person approached, explains, parang nagkaroon dito ng sobrang time, probably nag-overthink, or nag-procrastinate talaga ng sobra-sobra. I don't know yet what this person is afraid of, why they cannot express their emotion. At first, no, medyo masaya naman ako sa mga nangyayari. Pero ngayon, I am observing, or probably I am loving this person from afar. I am keeping tabs on the person, so yung stalk ko, yung mga social medias niya. Hopefully, no, sana mabigyan ako ng chance na one day, someday, ma-express ko sa kanya itong aking mga either hinanaing, emotion, with the High Priestess and the Sun. So, nakikita natin dito, the hope is still there. Siguro sabi din nitong taong to, I know na magkakaroon kami ng chance, no? Magkita uli, magkasama muli, magkausap, or fixing the bridge, no? So there might be some physical and energetic separations in here. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Kabilang barangay, kabilang barrio, it doesn't matter. Energetic separation, ito nga yung biglang either nawala or humihina itong usapan. Bumabagal, no, itong takbo ng relationship to a point na nag-pause or probably disconnected na, no? With the Knight of Wands and the Empress. So it felt like to me Sasabi ni person dito, no? Ang ganda ng mga pagbabago ni Capricorn. Either natuto siya sa buhay, natuto siyang mas mag-ayos, ayusin ang buhay, ayusin ang sarili niya. There's kind of like a stamp of approval in here na you're doing a good job, no, sabi ni person. Pero sa isip-isip ko, no, as a reader, bakit mo naman ako bibigyan ng approval? First of all, Capricorn is not the kind of person who asks, no, for anyone's approval. But it is appreciated, but that's actually extra. So, yeah, na-appreciate ni Capricorn. Pero, siguro hindi niya rin kailangan, no? Capricorn is doing things for their own, not because of someone else's, no? Uh, with the Hangman, the King of Cups, the Hermit, and the Temperance. So as of the moment, what I am seeing in here is, ayan, ako paubos na yata yung boses natin. With the Hangman, parang nagdadalawang isip yata ito, no? Unsure kung meron pa ba siyang chance, no, with the King of Cups. Kasi parang King of Cups is a person who cannot, or not actually, well, cannot express themselves. So is there really a chance? But I will try, for the sake of um at least nasabi ko, bakit ngayon lang? So this sa tagal ng panahon ngayon niya lang, no, this happened probably doon sa mga first, sa mga may situationship, no, yung no labels. Second, dun sa may mga crushes, no, na parang sinasabi, bakit kung kailan meron siya or umalis na siya, tsaka ko to nararamdaman, no, sabi ni person. Pwede rin naman ito doon sa mga in a relationship and dun na sa mga mag-asawa na probably in separation and the person actually decided to move forward and parang, uy, sandali, nandito pa ako, no? So, let's check the emotion. I need to sort things out first before I can come to you, and I want to fall asleep next to you. There are actually longing, no? So, sobrang pagka-miss niya ni person. Sobra din itong sabihin nating um, wanting, no? To fix the gap, no? Or sabihin natin na I need to parang bumalik, no? And probably have a relationship with you again, no? So this is your reading, Capricorn. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. So this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sorry. Uh, what I'm seeing is Leo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer. No? Ah, Virgo, Sagittarius, sorry. So Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Cancer. Yeah, yun. So wala pa lang yung Capricorn. Yeah, so this is your reading. This is the reading of the Capricorn. There you go. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa Babaylan TV. Yun yung ating kabilang channel or unang channel actually, no? Catered for our international audience. So kung hindi nyo po naaabutan itong inyong live sessions, pwede naman kayo talaga magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Pero kilalang kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili, Capricorn, kung hindi po kayo tulog, no, sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo sa website nandun po sa description box ng video na ito. May link po doon ng aking website. Click that link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Bubungad po yung question form. Sa form po na yun, kasi hindi siya kasya sa screen, ibaba nyo lang. So, meron po siyang mga QR codes, no? And QR codes are labeled. So, nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. And speaking of the number, nilagay ko po yung number dun for transaction purposes, no? Dun sa mga gumagamit mga e-wallets, ayan. So, kung kahit po nandun yung number, marami po kayong way how to reach out to me. No, DMs, PMs, inboxes, emails, no, comment section. Huwag po tayo basta-basta tatawag, no? Kasi po, madami po tayong ginagawa. Syempre meron tayong mga legal battles, no, dun sa mga fake accounts. Pangalawa, gumagawa tayo ng video, baka maputol, no? Pag naputol yan, kinausap ko kayo, sayang yung time kasi baka makalimutan ko, uulit na naman, no? And iba na po kasi ang body clock ko. Actually, it's 2:04, no? 2:04 na ng umaga. So baka pag tumawag kayo, tulog naman ako noon, eh, makakaistorbo, no? So, at saka, magkaroon po tayo ng etiquette ba, no? Ah, kahit naman po sa mga kakilala ninyo, no, close nyo ng kaibigan, siyempre, bago kayo tumawag, no, magpapasintabi muna kayo, magpapaalam, okay ba akong tumawag ng ganitong oras? So, wag po basta-basta tawag ng tawag. Ano po? So, doon po sa question form, sa baba, makikita nyo rin doon yung 4 questions plus 1. So, take advantage of it kasi discounted na yung 4 questions, may libre pa. No? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box, dun sa QR codes, no? So ayan. If hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, pwede naman kayong sumali sa ating promotion, no? I mean raffle instead of promotion raffle kasi promotion, no, parang you need to pay for something. This is free of charge. All you need to do is to report those fake accounts as well, and then screenshot your report, send it to the designated email para po doon po ako bubunot ng mananalo ng ating free reading. Ayan. So, marami din pong videos na hindi po nakapost dito sa YouTube. Yung iba po nasa Facebook, especially if you are checking, or if you still want your ex back, or do you still care for your exes, um, doon po sa YouTube yon. Kung hindi ninyo mahanap, balik kayo doon sa question form. May mga icons po or logo ng bawat social media. Click nyo lang yon. I-route na po kayo doon sa social media account. So, Capricorn, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.